All right, my YouTube family and friends, good night, good night, good night to each and every one of you. All right, so this is not a long video, guys. I'm just taking you. I don't have a big workspace anymore. I don't have a big workspace, but you know what? I'm making use of what I have. So I had bought a desk so far, a smaller desk, and so I set up my stuff. So that's the Cricut. My vinyl is there, and it's a little, messy right now because I had to move things around in order to get the Cricut up and running. But yeah, here's my laptop under here, guys. I don't have my big desktop to work with as yet, but there you have it. And I'm doing my first t-shirt, guys. That's why I was inviting you to view tonight. I'm doing my first t-shirt here in Jamaica. So the heat press is heating up. It's at 254. As you can see, 255 and counting. 257. And here is the shirt that I'm making for Lady Rose. Live, laugh, love. So it's ready for the heat press, and she is excited. She wants to wear it to school the first day of school. So here we have it, guys. So I will show you when it's finished, because the heat press is still heating up. I needed to get to 300, so I had to test it, guys, because I know the wattage in the house is 220. So is it 220? Something like that, 220. So I want to make sure that it will carry the heat press. So there you have it, guys. So my first t-shirt here in Jamaica as a returning resident. There you have it, guys. So I'll be right back to show you the finished product. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. That's my first shirt in Jamaica, guys. I love it. I love it. The color is soft. It's like a soft, like, I don't know, pinkish, purplish. And that's what Lady Rose picked out. And this is the first shirt I did in Jamaica for this young lady. Beautiful young lady, smart, wanting to learn. I love that when I do math with her, that even if she has to make corrections, she doesn't frown and, oh, I'm tired of this. So she goes right ahead and write her correction, do over her math. And then when she learns something, like I taught her to write the 5-paragraph essay, and she keeps, oh my God, no, she just writes it on her own. She creates her own topics and writes, and I love it. Okay, that's a kid who will go far. So here's to you, Lady Rose.
Thank you.
There, you're very welcome. I don't want to show your face because I don't know if Mommy will agree to that. Yeah. So enjoy your shirt with love as you continue to live, laugh, and love. Bye.